Sunday, October 13, 2024. 20th Sunday in Ordinary Time. 28th Sunday in the Ordinary Time. Day of Mass Media Apostolate. Focus. Disheartened by the saying, he went away sorrowful, for he had great possessions. It is true that the rich young man went away sorrowful, but the real tragedy was his failure to realize that no one and nothing is more important than doing God's will. Not parents or spouse or belongings. Had he understood this, he would have given up his possessions in a flash. But to understand this, he needed wisdom. Now we know why Solomon prayed for understanding and the spirit of wisdom. What he received from God was the gift of enlightenment. When we receive spiritual enlightenment, we see that the Word of God is living and active, sharper than any two-edged sword. When we receive wisdom, we realize that to be true followers of Christ, we must shun all worldly attachments. And suddenly, giving up possessions is not that difficult anymore. We realize that the rich cannot enter heaven not because they are rich, but because they treat riches as more important than doing God's will. We are attached not just to material things, but to persons, ideas, values, prejudices, and so on. To drop all attachments, understanding, wisdom is the key. It is a gift that God grants freely if only we ask. Fruit. Today I shall examine my relationships with those whose value system differs from mine and resolve to give up my attachment to I, me, myself.